What if we could revolutionize the manufacture of motors, generators, electrical components, and in fact virtually any electrical machine? What impact would it have on the world? Today we use electrical machines in all kinds of things, from the big to the small, every day in every kind of way. Generators spin with every click, converting energy into electricity to power motors in our appliances. An industry is in motion 24/7, one dependent on a beating heart of electrical machines. But this industry is choked. Current manufacture is long, complex, and uses highly specialized machines, producing inflexible cookie-cutter designs limited only to bulk quantities. Not to mention unnecessary waste, tangled logistic chains, and reliance on dwindling fossil fuel resources. Innovation is stifled. Creating new prototype machines becomes a long, very long, and expensive process. Want low volumes of bespoke, topologically complex machines? Forget about it. Want to integrate new energy-dense materials or energy-efficient materials? No way. We need to rethink how we manufacture these machines. The industry must evolve. Our team of scientists and engineers are prototyping a new manufacturing process, a 3D printing process for electrical machines that could revolutionize many industries. Imagine printing an electrical motor in one shot. The potential to fundamentally change how we build electrical machines and components is within our grasp. The process would allow engineers, scientists, artists, and designers, you, to create your own original and innovative machine and product designs. It starts with specialized, extrudable, high-temperature, magnetic, conductive, and insulating materials embedded in a polymer matrix. These are extruded and bombarded by high-power electromagnetic waves. The product is strong, solid, sintered, 99% metallic and ceramic objects. No more weak plastic parts. The process allows for infinite design possibilities. Design custom magnetic objects, embed them with conductive materials, build working electromagnets, electrical switches, energy conversion devices, even special purpose motors or generators. Let's take 3D printing to the next level and create incredible devices that blow our minds. We need your help to make this change happen. We've developed a proof of concept process for using custom high temperature magnetic materials. But controlling their metallurgical properties and incorporating conductive and insulating materials into a single 3D printing process is complex. We need your support to transform the electrical machine industry the way electrical vehicles are transforming transportation. We have secured some government funding and partner support for this project and need another £80,000 of support to start. Our international team will be working jointly with scientists from Scottish universities in the UK to make this project a reality. This is a one-year project starting in just a few months. Over the one-year period, we will film the entire development process from start to finish. For your investment, you will see a real research project explore an amazing new commercial opportunity. Excited? Want to be part of this revolution? Then let's begin.